Hey everybody, back with another voiceover train video, because I'm bored, it's hot outside, and yeah, and I have nothing else to do. So, these are trains of yesterday, as I am making this video and doing a voiceover, of June 30th, 2026. As when this video gets posted, it's going to be July 1st, July 1st, sorry about that. It's going to be July 1st, which is, if some people don't know, Canada Day, and I just want to say Happy Canada Day to the Canadians who possibly watch my channel. Sorry for the voice crack, and if you hear wind noises, it's my fan. It is extremely hot in my room, and I cannot stand it. Yeah. I don't know what else to say, so bye. Into First is Amtrak train P365, which goes from Port Huron to Chicago with a very great narrow font K5LA on the leader. Sorry for this, I just wanted like extra Doppler because the horn was beautiful. Next is CNZ14891, which goes from Homewood, Illinois to Toronto in Ontario. Oh my god, holy voice crack. But this went through pretty quick and with a very weird horn on it. Oh my... Next is L53361, which goes from Port Huron to Flint with a pretty uncommon, which is more rare than uncommon, -9 liter with a beautiful P3. Just sucks it was leading longer forward in my opinion. M30241, Winnipeg to Toronto. It's just Gevo garbage. Yeah. There was a rear DQ, but I did not like it because it was V60.
Next is a very late M396, which would be at the time yesterday's 396, and with a very rare occurrence of me actually liking an SD75 ACC. Yeah, but this is 396.7 from Memphis, Tennessee to Toronto, Ontario.
Okay, I'm bored of saying the actual full symbol. This is, I'm pretty sure, M399, which is Toronto to Champaign, Gary, Indiana, wherever the hell it even goes to. I don't even know. Just Gevo Duo. Yeah. This was the saddest train of the day, which is dumbass L533 again, but they got rid of the Dash 9 in Flint and replaced it with CN8811, whatever the number is, I don't remember, which was on, I think, the 507, 508 rotation from Flint to Flat Rock. This is CNE275 with a solo Gevo as per the usual. Sorry if I sound annoyed, I'm just tired. Yeah. 275 solo Gevo. Yeah! Next is CN M396. Yes, another M396, because the last M396 was the day before 396. So this was at the times, the time, yes, today is 396. Oh my god! It had a good horn as well. Next is B731 with the saddest mid-DPU, because the mid-DPU has a K5HLA, which is CN3016, but the leader is just a boring K5HL Gevo.